wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West. I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Today kids, Olivia is going to teach us the ABC and some new words. Let's first review and make sure we know our ABCs.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Okay, and now that we've learned the alphabet, Olivia is going to help us learn the alphabet by learning new words. Like A stands for apple, or B stands for bee. Let's see which words Olivia comes up with.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my AB. Oh. Hi, kids. Oh, I didn't see you there. Hi. Guess what we're doing today? Story time. Today we have a very special story. We have a special story because this story helps you to read all other stories. Wow. Yeah, that's a really big story for such a small amount of words, huh? It's a huge story. This might be the most important story ever. This story is called An Alphabet Trip. We're going to take the alphabet trip with Olivia and Noah. That sounds fun. A is for airplane. See how it flies. Yeah, you see that? That's neat, huh? B is for birthday. A big birthday surprise. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. That's really fun. I like that song too. C is for cake. For candles. Bright too. How many candles should there be for you? How old are you? Yeah, how many candles are on your birthday cake this year? Wow.
5.
5? Wow, mine only has 4. Yeah, that's crazy. D is for ducks. They swim so fast. Wow. I really like ducks, especially baby ducks. They're so cute, huh? Nice and little fluffy. E is for eggs, safe and snug in the nest. F is for fiddle, played by the cat. Hey, diddle diddle, that cat is so fat. It is, it's a very fat cat. Can we show a fat cat? Yeah, I'd like to show the kids a funny cat. That's funny. G is for goat. They live off the land. Wow. That's really neat. I like goats too. H is for horse. He is going to ride. Noah's going to ride a horse. Wow, that's really great. I is for ice cream. So good to eat. When the weather is hot, a wonderful treat. Oh, I think so. Do you guys think so? Do you kids like ice cream? Yeah? Nice. J is for Jack, and J is for Jill, the boy and the girl who went up the hill. Oh no, what happened? Did something spill? K is for kitten, as everyone knows. L is for ladybug that lands on her nose. Ooh, I'd like a ladybug on my nose. O is for owl, An opossum so shy. P is for porcupine, living close by. I like this, all these animals. It's a nice little animal story. Q is for quack, the sound that ducks make. They all say quack, 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 quack while they swim in a lake. R is for rhino. Oh my, what a pet. S is for Sam and for Sally. You bet. Aw. T is for Timmy's turtle, who's really very slow and takes his house along with him wherever he may go. Yeah. You guys know that a turtle lives in their shell? That's their house. Yeah, the shell. That's neat, huh? U is for umbrella, to use in spring showers. V is for violets, those pretty spring flowers. Aw, yeah, we like violets. Remember, we've learned lots of times violet is also purple. W is for wet water, as walruses know. X marks the spot where the xylophone should go. Do you guys know what a xylophone is? Yeah, it's a musical instrument. It plays really, really pretty sounds. I like it. It's really, really good. Y is for yo-yo and yummy yogurt too. Ooh, I like yo-yos. Z is for zebra. He lives at the zoo. Those are both Z's. Yeah, Z is a very, very interesting letter, huh? Wow, well, did you guys have fun today? I had a really, really good time. I hope you guys all learned a lot of letters and that'll help you be able to read. See, it is the most important book because this book helps us read all other books. Yep.
Wow! Did you know all of these words? Are there words that you didn't know? Xylophone was a new word for me. Or owl. That was new for me too. Well, kids, I guess we can never learn enough. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Hi there, it's Mikey. If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us below. Thanks!